Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Hope you guys are all having a great weekend, and a special thank you to all the mothers out there and all you've done for all of us. We owe you just everything. So, today is going to be a real quick Sawdust Diaries type video. You guys know, if you've been following us for any time, we have gone through so many evolutions of lighting for our router, and there's so many different things you can do. But we have come up with something new that was actually shared with us. So let me show you what we've been using for the last, 6 months or so. We've been using these little mini spotlights, and that's one of the issues, is sometimes the little washers come off. And these mini spotlights work really well. We've been very happy with them. But the problem is the vibration of the router, and the cumbersome of it. The battery's kind of going bad after a while. So the vibration of the router kind of causes the batteries to lose their connection once in a while. But when Rod and Angie were here a couple weeks ago, Rod showed me something that he told me about something and sent me a link to it, and I got one on Amazon, and check this out. So this is actually a little sewing machine light, and I've seen sewing machine lights before, but the problem that I've seen before is that they were corded, so you literally have to take a cord and plug it into the wall, and I'm not interested in that at all. I need them completely portable, not just for in my shop, but if we're carving out on site. I don't want to, it's like having a corded router again. I really like the cordless version. This is rechargeable, and I really love this thing. I don't know how it's going to hold up long term, but I can tell you right now, I'm pretty happy with it. So this would be the way that you guys would see it. This is on my side of the router, and I think it's going to film real well. I think it's going to work really well. And the thing about it is they give you several of these little holders, basically, and they're adhesive with Velcro on the back. I may change that. I think Rod said he used some of the 3M two-sided tape. I think that's probably what I'll end up going with before too long. But check this out. So with these little holders, I can just take this thing off and move it to a different router if I want. So it just slides right in there, comes around, and then this little flexible head can go exactly where I want it to be. And that little thing is bright. I did some testing with it, and it really lights that whole area up. So I think this is going to be what we're going to be working with and trying for the next several weeks. And Rod said he's been using his for a while now, and it doesn't seem to be, the vibration doesn't seem to be causing a problem with the connection or anything, flickering and all that. So we'll find out. I'm going to definitely use these for a while. Now, these are on Amazon. This is how they came, or it's just one of them, but it gives you 2 extra cradles. So we've got 3 cradles all together. The one that was on the light, and then a pack of extra cradles that it comes with. Now, it's not super cheap. This I think is around 40 bucks, something like that. But it says that it fully charges in like 30 minutes. That's what it says on the package. And it's supposed to last for, I don't know, Ryan, it said,
I think it was at the brightest setting for 3 hours.
Yeah, so that should be way enough. I'm probably going to buy another one, but I don't think you would actually need another one if you had multiple cradles on different routers. Yeah, that's right. It's USB rechargeable, so you just plug it in, and again, it says 0 to 30 minutes for a full charge. So I'm kind of excited about playing around with these. We're going to be doing more and more testing. I think from this point on, you're probably going to see videos where we're going to be using these things. I think I'm going to go ahead and get another one. Again, they're not as cheap as the spotlights, but I think, man, they're sure a lot simpler. No doubt about that. So anyway, guys, that is it. I just kind of wanted to share that with you. There'll be a link in the description below that goes right to this product. It's an affiliate link, so we'll get a little bit of a cut on it, probably 3 cents. But anyway, I'm not worried about that. I'm just worried about whether this thing's going to hold up, and we're going to see if it does. And it may be a great alternative to the mini spotlights. And over the years, I've used probably dozen different lighting systems, but I'm kind of excited about this. I always liked the sewing machine lights, but the problem is all the ones that I saw were plug-in, and I just don't, that's just not something that interests me. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. We're going to be using these more and more. Again, I hope you guys have a great Mother's Day. Thank you again for watching. Thank you guys for all of the support. We're still doing our lives on Thursday night. And Rick on the Road, we're kind of moving forward with that. Looks like we'll be kind of traveling around and meeting some of you guys from time to time. So anyway, guys, we love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.